can't cast, my thing's all jacked. I got one. Oh, it's a good one. That's a real nice one. That's the one I want. Oh. Edwin! Fish and baits, let's go! A lot of those run the underspin too, you know? Alright, got some more shad. Drop this shad down. Right there. Hopefully get some smallies. I see a fish on it already. Yep. See what we got here. See what we got. I think it's a smallie. Nice smallmouth. Exactly what I came here for. Exactly what I freaking came here for. Is a nice 2-pound smallie. Let's go, baby. Yee. Oh, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. She's a beauty. Man, these hooks are good. Oh, look at that beautiful fish. Good. I just write down this. That small one. Look at that beauty. Ooh-wee. 1.7. That's a beautiful smallie, guys. Let's go. All right.
Smoke? Yeah? You can smoke?
Yeah, let's go. Smallmouth. That's exactly what I came here to do. Yeah.
Get you some.
Keep going. That fat little football right there. Let's go. I don't know. It looks like there's fish on the bottom there, but I can't tell if it's just little rocks. See here, see if they react to this at all. Swam off with it. I think it's another smallie. It's a nice one too, dude. Heck yeah. Yeah. Dang, they just freaking fight so hard, don't they?
Yeah.
Yes! Heck yeah.
Oh, it's nicer one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, yeah. That beauty. Oh, yeah. Sweet. Look at that. Beauty. All right, little update. Made a little move. Still got some shad, and now we're on some smallies. Kind of wanted to see if we can find some smallies and largies, and caught 3 solid smallmouth. So, yeah, we're spoiled over here using live bait, but whatever. We caught them in the net, so we worked hard for them. Oh, yeah? There we go. Please be a freaking bass too. Because if it's a bass, it's a good one. It's a largemouth, but how? It's not even that big, dude. It felt so good. Trifecta. What's up, my guy? Oh, he swallowed it like crazy, too. Ooh, all right, we got a bass. He's all right, guys. Kind of skinny. There. He out. He out. Yep.
A tiny guy.
Oh, yeah. It feels so much better on the X-Bride because it's a lighter rod. It's like yours, you know? I'm guessing that's a striper. No, another smallie. Dang, dude, these are good ones. Woo. He's pooping out fishing line. Nice one. Woo, smallie. Big old spot. Look at this shot, guys. He got hammered. Oh, yuck.
Yeah.
A little largy. Little largy sitting on that wall. Nice. Nice largy. Heck yeah.
Trifecta.
Yeah. Smallie, baby. Oh, wow.
You want me, guy?
Ooh, it's a nice smallie, dude. Yeah. Let's go! The smallie! Woohoo! He's a beauty.
Got him.
She's a beauty. Heck yeah. Dang, that's a nice one.
That's cool color, dude. Let's see it.
Tiger one.
Yeah.
Camel. Right? Is that over 2? That's a nice one. Woo, smallies.
You're so spoiled with the shad, but whatever.
Well, it's probably close to 2 pounds. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Look like an okay largemouth. Yeah, nice largie. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Might want to move that net. Oh god, I gotta work on this guy for a second. It's a nice largie, huh? Got it out easy. Nice. Gave you a shad too. Nice largie. Best one of the day. Ooh-wee. Nice one. Nice. Gotta be a smallie. No, largie. Woo! Yeah, boy. Yeehaw! Gee, that little nitro put off a bit. Yeah.
When's the last time you fished a slalom?
Not that long ago, I caught that trout with my buddy.
You made a wave back there, huh?
That's where I found that car.
Ready?
That's been a good day. Got off to the oil.
You mind if I take you guys fishing license?
How you guys doing today?
Ah, beautiful day.
Yeah.
Blade?
You want to see the live one?
Perfect.
Oh, fishing license, sorry.
Holes in the back too?
No, just this guy right here. That's it. Cool.
Sounds good. All right, thanks guys.
All right, guys. You have a good one. Later. And we got a drop shot fish. And we got a drop shot fish. They like the freaking Castaic better than the live bait. It's a smallie too. He just spit up a shad. Hey. The bite here is so good, dude. Yeah, look at that shad. Yeah. Let's go.
Look at that big, it ain't have this color, man.
Drop shot smallie, little dude. Drop shot smallie. Come on. Our little update. Just moving around some of these points. Got some good smallmouth, getting some largies now. Just cruise around a little bit of shad we have left. We got so much though, it's crazy. But they're almost done, so we're almost done. But we caught some good fish today. 3-4 pound stripers, some good largies, smallies. It's been pretty